What's up guys, in this video let's abuse the Galaxy Note 9 with water, Samsung's latest flagship in the Note series, and test out how waterproof it actually is. Those of you who have missed out on the scratch and bend test of the Note 9 or Xiaomi's latest mid-range flagship, the Mi A2, can check it out from the card above. Also, there is an international giveaway of Gadgetshieldz skin where 4 winners will be chosen. Links in the description. Now starting with the water test on the Note 9, which is IP68 certified, let's put its water resistance to the test and find out what to expect if your Note 9 accidentally gets wet in the rain or falls inside water. As usual, checking out the layer of oleophobic coating on the glass. This oleophobic layer, apart from preventing fingerprint smudges, helps the water to roll off instead of sticking to the glass, thereby giving it some degree of water resistance. The only devices which totally lacked this oleophobic layer was the Oppo Realme 1 and the A3s. Now since this is an IP68 certified phone, we'll be skipping the light splashing round straight to heavy drenching and see how it